Welcome students. Today our topic is about peacock. Easy and simple sentence about peacock. First sentence is our national bird is peacock. Then the next sentence is peacock look attractive due to their colorful feathers. Then the next sentence is peacocks can fly up to some heights of branches but cannot fly in the sky. Then, generally the life of the peacock is up to 10 to 25 years. The female peacock is called as peahen. Then the next sentence is peacock has a beautiful crown like crown on its head. Then the next sentence is peacock eats harmful insects, mites, and therefore it is a good friend of farmers. Next sentence, peacock is known for dancing with wings spread. Peacock is blue colored bird and its feathers are blue, green and golden. Then the last sentence, they are found all over the Indian subcontinent. Thank you.